Hey guys, it's me Trey, and today I'm going to be explaining to you the basics of the prokaryotic cell. So, this is the bus that's going to transport us into one of the many cells of the villager inside of this box. And when I say many, I mean it. There are roughly around 30 trillion cells in the average human body. With all things considered, I believe it's about time to start exploring the cell. Welcome to the cell membrane. In simple terms, the cell membrane is a flexible covering that protects the cell. The cell membrane is actually one of the many organelles that you'll learn about in this video. Organelles are basically any structure that has a specialized function inside of a cell. Fun fact, the sides of the cell membrane are proteins and lipids, which are basically fatty acids. Now, onto the next organelle. This organelle is called the centriole. It's only present in prokaryotic cells, and its main function is cell division. Cell division is just what you think it is, one cell splitting into two. These things surrounding us are microtubule triplets. They basically help to give structure for the organelle. Welcome to the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a gooey jelly-like substance that protects the cell. Unlike the other things in this video, the cytoplasm isn't actually an organelle. This is because of its inherent lack of a specific function. The cytoplasm is actually the thing that gives the cell its shape. Well, next item. This is the cytoskeleton. A network of thread proteins that, simply put, supports and structures the cell. Time to explore the next organelle. We're currently residing in the Golgi apparatus and vesicles. Here, proteins are prepared, packaged, and transported to other parts of the cell. A more commonly used term for this organelle is the Golgi body. On to the next organelle. This organelle is called the vacuole. In short, the vacuole stores water and waste materials. Unlike prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells actually have a variant of this called the large central vacuole. Now to explore the next organelle. We're currently inside of the lysosome. The lysosome's function is to break down waste particles inside of the cell. The thing that I'm about to ride on is called a transport protein. It's one of many inside of the lysosome. Well, time for the next organelle. This is probably the most famous of all the organelles. This is the mitochondria, also known as the powerhouse of the cell. But what does that really mean? Well, in a nutshell, it means that the mitochondria is the thing that converts sugar into energy. Now, let's head on to our next organelles. Welcome to the rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or ER for short. In the rough ER, proteins are produced. In the smooth ER, lipids. The only difference between the two is the presence of ribosomes. Ribosomes are only present on the rough ER, and their main function is making proteins. This is the nucleus, where activities are directed and genetics are stored. This is the nucleolus, where ribosomes, aka the thing that determines if an ER is rough or smooth, are made. Congrats, you learned about all the parts of the cell. Now to return home. Congratulations, you've officially learned about all the major parts in a cell. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. Bye!